Hi. So in today's video, I'm doing another wig review for you guys. I'm back with another ZURYSIS wig. I'm super excited. It's been a minute since I've had a ZURYSIS wig. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So of course, this is a sister wig. It is from their Diva collection, and it is a Diva style that makes you a diva. That's the whole thing, you know? So yeah, this is a lace front wig, and the style is Diva Lace H Nika. The color is coral blue. It is high heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it says it is a side swept bang, hand tied side parch. So yeah. And then that's the picture, if you can see. So of course they have the washing and care and instructions on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know the available colors that this wig comes in. So of course we have 1B, 299J, FS 1B30. The picture is a or is it? Yeah, the picture is Psalm RT 27/30. So yeah, that's like a brownish blonde type of color. And then coral blue, which is the one that I have. Some RT Blossom, some RT L.COPPER, some RT Vanilla. So yeah, it comes in a few different colors, and of course some natural colors. Lace front. This is a lace front wig. It is not a lot of lace at all whatsoever. It's ear to ear lace, but the lace is maybe like not even an inch, like maybe like 2-3 centimeters back. And then of course the part is lace. So yeah, you'll see in the styling portion that like what the inside looks like. Hopefully you can see it well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and watch the styling portion now so you can see what the hair looked like when I first got it out of the package. Okay, so yeah, as you could see at the beginning of that, the wig was not actually in a box the way I received it. It was actually in like a Ziploc bag. I'm not really sure what's going on there. Obviously, I didn't pay for the hair. The hair was sent to me, so I don't know if it was like something that they were checking out on the wig. Let's turn that off. Yeah, I don't know if it was something that they were like checking out on the wig, trying to make sure everything was good before they sent it to me. But yeah, it was not in the original packaging, so I don't really know what this packaging looks like. But yeah, I usually really love ZURYSIS packaging anyway, so I'm sure it's, you know, it's cute, it's pretty, it's the thing, you know. But yeah, so let's go ahead and talk about the style of this wig. The style of this wig is it can be sort of hit or miss depending on how you like to like wear your hair. So as you can see, it's a bob. It's definitely a bob. The right side is definitely a lot longer than the left, considering the right side is curled right now. I didn't curl it. This is how the wig came. This side is straight. This side just is curled. The bang can get a little annoying just because, like, I don't know, the curls like to kind of curl in a way that can be, okay, here we go. This is good right here. Boom. So yeah, the curls can definitely you gotta style it to your liking when you first get it, which you see me kind of going through a few different things, seeing what I could do with this wig. Personally, I would have liked it better if this side was curled too, or if this side was just straight. I personally myself like for it to be the same. I know that some people actually do their like weaves and like hair and stuff like this where they'll have a bob and it's a side part and they'll curl one side like this. This is not my style, but I mean, I don't hate it at all. It's just I prefer if it was all curled or all straight. So yeah, that's definitely like a preference type of thing though. So yeah, the style of the hair is pretty cute. I like it. I like it. I'll show you what the hair looks like from the back. There we go. That's what the hair looks like from the back. And yeah, I don't actually know what it looks like right now, but so yeah, as far as the style goes, I think it's cute. It's not nothing, you know, that's like screaming out at me. I think if it was just like a regular all straight or all curled, you know, whatever style bob, that would be really cute. This is cute too, and which I can probably straighten it myself, honestly, which is why I'm really not even tripping that much, because it is heat safe. And look at that, that's the hairline. You could definitely do something with that if you're really good with like creating baby hairs and stuff. Again, I'm not. So yeah. Yeah, definitely couldn't really do like a flip over method with this, I don't think, because I don't think it would work with this sort of style. I mean, I can try, and I'm gonna try. Not mad at it. I think it's cute, but this side is still longer. So I mean, you could definitely, you know, if you wanted to spend some time trying to style this wig up and give it a little something, which I actually might go back in and do, because this is actually like turned out kind of cute, and I'm liking this a lot better. This is more my style. Y'all know I love me a flip over girl. Plus I prefer my parts to go this way anyway, and the bangs are just less in my face this way. So yeah, let's go ahead and do like, okay, so let's just imagine that like this is what we're working with. This is really cute. I like this. This is very cute. And let's talk about the color. Of course, ZURYSIS always does really good with the colors on their units. I just think that they do very good. Probably the best with like any company I've come across. I think that their coloring is like perfect. So this is like a sky blue color. You know, sort of like pastel-ish, not really, because it's not super light, and it is kind of like bright in your face, but the color is very good. So it's like mostly sky blue, but there's also strands of like a royal to like sort of like a royal blue to sort of purplish, kind of, just to give it like some depth, some dimension, because you don't really want it to all be one color. I mean, if that's your thing, then that's your thing, but I do like for the hair that I wear to kind of have some type of dimension to it. Sort of two-tone, but not really. Like, you don't want it to be noticeable, you know, but you kind of want it to have like that effect of, wow, that color is really pretty. You can't really achieve that with just like one hair dye color, or, you know, like something, you know, stuff like that. I like the fact that they have different strands in different colors, because it shows like the effort that they put into these wigs, and I love it. I really love it. So yeah, when you do this flip over, you gotta be careful though, because you can sort of see some tracks coming through, but it's not really meant to be worn as a flip over wig. So I mean, what do you expect? It only comes with one part. So maybe actually I might not even have to cut it. I could just like tilt it over a little bit. Let's just see if we can do that. There we go. I pushed it over. Better. That's better. See, boom. I didn't even have to do that. But now I kind of want to put some more of this on this side. Well, no, I guess I should probably just keep it like that. Okay, well then boom. Now that's what's the complete styling portion. This is really cute. I like this. I like it a lot better now. It's more me, kind of like that like wavy, curled, wild, you know, look. And we definitely got that going on here. Yes, girl, yes, I'm feeling it. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Again, I can't see it, so hopefully it looks good. And let's go ahead and talk about shedding, tangling, all the technical stuff y'all already know. So shedding, I have been getting some shedding since I got this wig. It is lace front. I did have to cut the lace off, so I do expect shedding with that, with any wig. But as I continue to brush through the hair, I'm still receiving shedding, and I do honestly think that I'll probably still get some shedding, just wearing the hair. Just based off of like how the hair feels, I do think that I would probably still get some shedding. Tangling, I do see this wig tangling. It's not tangling right now. Right now it's pretty good, but I do kind of see it tangling a little bit in the future, just because the hair kind of feels like it could get matted up at the ends, especially the straight side over here. So I'll probably have to really keep my hands out of this hair, which I've said before, you really shouldn't run your hands through synthetic hair anyway. You should honestly just let it sit as it is, brush it when need be. But yeah, so I do think that this will kind of tangle a little bit. I don't think this will be a super stress-free unit. I do think that it'll probably give you some, you know, you might have to watch out, make sure you're keeping an eye on this unit so it lasts as long as possible. But again, it's heat safe, so I mean, you can definitely do different things to make wigs last longer when the hair is heat safe, because you can style it, you can change the look up. And curls, or synthetic hair holds curls a lot longer than human hair or any virgin hair. So again, if you want to completely style this wig up, curl it all over, do, you know, something like that, then that is a good way to make your wigs last longer, or, you know, to make this wig last longer. But yeah, I kind of, you know, again, I do think that this down here needs to be curled a little bit more just so it matches this, but I don't really feel like it's necessary right now. It just feels like that you guys can see the vision of this wig and where it can go, what you can do, and you know how to make a wig fit to your face, fit to your style. Try different things, you know. So yeah. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this wig review. I'll give this wig like a 7.5 out of 10. Because I like it, but there are some things that I feel like can cause some problems. So yeah, I really do like this wig though. I love the color. Color is a 10 out of 10 for me. I love the color. I freaking love the color. So yeah, make sure y'all check out ZURYSIS. Links will be down below, their Instagram and the Zuri Hollywood website. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.